Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. And we have a wonderful new week in our program, our second lesson week in January, a whole new year. And I won't take up any of Victoria's time. I'll let her introduce the topic for the week to start off our compass session. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. All right, you may recall from last week, we talked a little bit about fiction theory, continuing down that road, and what we looked at were conflict-driven stories. But if you know anything about me, you know that I also like to cover the opposite of that, which is non-conflict driven stories. So when we get over to the map tomorrow, we're going to talk about some of the options for non-conflict driven stories. And we're going to look at a little bit of the theory behind each one of those and how those might line up with the character traits that Kathleen is going to discuss. So I won't dally. I will throw it right back over to Kathleen for her compass.
All right. Oh, Victoria, I can't wait to hear that information tomorrow in the map. Well, my tease for tomorrow's topic is our last position on the character profile diagram. We've already had 4 of them. The rudder position, where you get to steer the direction of your story because your character is making conscious decisions, knows that he's making a decision, and deliberately makes a choice. Then we talked about our wing positions, which are a little bit chaotic, a little bit flighty. It's kind of nagging your character, but he can't quite get a hold of it to make a clear choice. Then we talked about the opposite, the anchor position, where things were pretty nailed down, generally speaking, and things don't get too ruffled, and your character almost always makes the choice that lowers chaos. Then last time we did the pinnacle positions, where it was way over your character's head, out of sight, out of mind, not anywhere in the range of view of your character. And we're going to come up with the last character position. I bet you can guess my gesture. Okay, I'll show you the gesture, but you got to wait till tomorrow for the meet. Okay, Victoria, anything to add?
Nope, this is going to be terrific. We're going to keep driving story writing forward and help get those words on the page. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye.